Okay, to discuss, let us understand the program flow. Okay, and as we all know that the first step is to understand the problem because that is the crux. Once you understood the problem, then it will be half of the battle is won. You will be able to find the algorithm around it. What is the data structure to be used? But understanding the problem itself is something which we need to carefully look into. And when we took look at the steps, it is similar to what three-stage process. One is the problem, understanding it, then identifying a mathematical model, which we have to find out which model is suitable. In this case, what we understood it is a graph. We will discuss that. Then writing a pseudo program using the programming language. Some of the construct we can write using the programming language, but rest of the things we can write in normal or general statement, and later we can refine that into a real program like executable program. That is the last step, and once you have that one, you will run the code. So this is what overall the program flow which we go through. And understanding the problem is important for us. So for our case, it is designing traffic light in a complicated intersection of the roads. Okay, when I'm talking about traffic light, please take a note that this example is taken from US traffic. So in US traffic, everybody should be aware that it is a right side driving. So this is how, whereas in India it is left side driving. So it is completely opposite of what we are doing here. So please don't get confused with the terms that we will be mentioning over there here. Just think that it is right side driving, not left side driving. And yes, in a traffic light, what happens? There are certain turns which are permitted. All the turns are permitted, but mm, simultaneously number of turns cannot be taken place simultaneously. That is the only important factor that we have to look into, because it is not um, it is not right, or it is not possible to do simultaneous uh, turns, because it may conflict and there will be a collision between vehicles. So the most important part of this is how we should ensure that traffic should go smoothly with a very minimum number of phases of light. It should not be like each traffic will give its own time. So others cannot, others will not move. It's not like that. It should be like if whenever it is possible, simultaneous turns will provide, and the minimum number of traffic light is required, or traffic phases are required, so that all the phases will get equal turn.